YouTube. I don't know if you can hear me because I'm outside again, but it's Me Glady, and we're doing another vlog. It's been a while actually, and partly due to that is because I guess college mostly, assignments and studies, so that's kind of taken up most of my time, and I wasn't able to crank out a YouTube video. So I decided to do a vlog here because first of all, it's a great day outside. Fall is setting in, trees are changing colors. It's super beautiful, and I think I'll be rolling some B-roll during. Yeah, try hitting it. Yeah, I'm with some family friends out here, and they're having some fun out here, so hopefully everyone's doing well. Well, let's get into the vlog. I'll show some kind of scenery and just kind of chill and have a relaxing video. If you're just now checking into my channel, be sure to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments your feedback. Hopefully I'll be able to crank some videos hopefully in the upcoming weeks. I want to do some more Rubik's Cube videos, and I just want to try to make some more content. But anyways, like and subscribe, and let's get into some of the B-roll and some scenic shots. Air, yeah, we put some air into this. All right, you ready? Yeah. All right. Watch out, watch out. There you go.
Nice. Really?
All right, kick it as hard as you can. All right, there you go. There you go. Wow, that's a strong hit. Man, got a strong kick right there. Here's another one. There you go. That's a Ronaldo curve. Let's go. Whoa! These over there are actually very nice. That's vibrant red and orange. These are not turning yet, but oh, the ones over here are also turning. This one has red and orange and bits of yellow in it. It's like a painted scenery, like the entire landscape was painted. These need to be turning a little bit more yellow and red soon, hopefully. Nice hit. Say hi to YouTube.
Hi, I'm Bennett. I'm going to be on Baden's team.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Baden, and I do not want to be seen.
Hi to YouTube. Say hi to YouTube.
Also, YouTube, I'm Aston, and my channel is Aston OMG.
Oh, nice. Nice channel plug right there. You guys should start a YouTube channel. No. All right. First question is, what's your favorite season?
Probably would be summer.
Why summer?
In summer, you can go to the pool and relax. That's my favorite thing about summer.
Oh, nice. Okay. Well, I like the fall because, you know why? The trees turn cool colors before they die, which is kind of sad when you think about it. So,
I don't like fall because it kind of gets fall and gets dirty everywhere.
it gets dirty. You're right. What do you think of the winter then?
Winter's pretty good.
Cause you get to make snowman?
No, you can relax at home.
No school?
All day, no school.
No school. Right. That's right.
But the most sad thing about winter is no soccer.
That is true. That is true. Soccer's on break. How else would you play soccer in the snow, right?
Yeah.
I mean, you could theoretically play other stuff like snowball fight or
Snowball fight.
sledding.
Snowball fight. I'll punch a snowball in the face right now if I have one.
Nice. All right. Keep going.
Kick it.
Yeah. Oh. So it looks like that's the end of today's vlog, pretty much. Hope you guys enjoyed the background music, the B-roll shots, some of the scenery that I got today. Even behind me looks really nice. There's a lot of leaves on the ground right here, so fall is setting in, and soon fall will be done and winter will come. Seasons are changing, so hope you're all doing well. Once again, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Let me know your comments, your feedback. It's always appreciated. And with that, I'll see you all in the next video. And it's me, Glady, signing out. Squirrel boy. What's good, squirrel boy?